Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class, I am going to explain about equations of motion. Our scientists found three equations of motion. By using this, we can solve unknown things about moving body. Here, three equations of motions are V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus of AT square, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. These are the three equations of motion. So by using this, we can find out unknown things about moving body. Here V is final velocity, U is beginning velocity, is initial velocity, A is acceleration due to acceleration of moving body. Here acceleration means what? Change of velocity per time. Acceleration of moving body. T is taken time to travel the distance. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, beginning velocity, and A is acceleration, means change of velocity with respect to time, and T is taken time for travel. This is one equation of motion. This is called first equation of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. Second equation of motion, S is equal to UT plus of AT square. S is distance travel, U is initial velocity, T is taken time, off is off, and A means acceleration, means change of velocity with respect to time, and T means taken time. This is another equation to find the distance travel. And here by using this we can find out velocities, initial velocity or final velocity, or taken time or acceleration. We can find out by using this. So, and here distance formula. By using this, we can find out the distance traveled by the body. Another formula, third equation of motion. This is second equation of motion. Now, third equation of motion. V square minus U square is equal to AS. Here, final velocity and beginning velocity. And 2 means just numerical. Next, A means acceleration, change of velocity with respect to time. And S means distance travel. By using these three equations, we can find out unknown things about moving body. These are called three equations of motion. Now, in case a body is falling freely, a free falling body, same equations of motion we can apply for a free falling body also. That is also moving body now. Free falling body, we can apply it. V is equal to U plus GT, wherever A, G, acceleration due to gravity. So that is very represented with G. Here this is acceleration on a plane surface. Acceleration on surface. This is falling body due to gravity. Acceleration means change of velocity because of gravity. So acceleration due to gravity, G. Wherever A is replaced with G. Now first equation, V is equal to U plus GT, and second equation, S is equal to UT plus of GT square. Third equation, V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. Here just equations of motion replaced with G because acceleration due to gravity. So that is why G is replaced in the place of A. These are the three equations of motion for free falling body. And same equations we can also apply for a body throwing up. This is for free falling body and towards the gravity. So here positive G. When body is thrown up, it is against to gravity. So minus G, negative G. Just that is only difference. Positive G when falling body towards the gravity. We are throwing up means it is against to gravity. So you take minus G. Wherever G is there, you take negative G. And you will get equations. V is equal to U minus GT. S is equal to UT minus of GT square. V square minus U square is equal to minus 2GH. Same equations, but symbols are changed. Wherever positive g, you take as minus g, because g is that acceleration due to gravity against to gravity. So you take minus g when you are throwing up. These are the equations of motion. Now applications. Free falling body. Here, when free falling body, that at the height beginning stage is the velocity is 0. On the top always velocity 0, because of 0 velocity only it will fall down, otherwise it will go up continuously. So because of 0 velocity only it will fall down. So free falling body beginning velocity is 0, and height falling height is h, and it falls with some velocity, that is v, that is final velocity. The body falls with some velocity, that is called final velocity. Always g value invented already, informed to you about g value 9.8 meter per second square, or approximately we also can take 10 meter per second square. Yes, see, u is 0 when body is falling down. U initial velocity is 0, beginning velocity is 0, and it will fall down with some velocity, with some speed only it will fall down. So final velocity, there will be a final velocity, and the distance travel from height to fall ground is height, that is h. And gravity, acceleration due to gravity already we found, that is 9.8 meter per second, approximately you can take as 10. So we can apply for this first equation. So u is equal to 0, no, in first equation u is equal to 0. When falling body u is equal to 0, then you will get v is equal to gt. In second equation u is equal to 0, then you will get h is equal to half gt square. In third equation u is equal to 0, v square is equal to 2gh. These are the results. When body is falling down, you will get final velocity as gt, and distance or height falls is of gt square, and final velocity also we can find out by using v square is equal to 2gh. So such a way, by using these equations, we can find out final velocity is equal to gt, height is equal to of gt square, and final velocity square is equal to 2gh. By using these formulas we can find out. Here what happening in these all equations, u becomes 0. Why? Falling down beginning velocity is 0. Now a body thrown up. When a body throwing up, it must apply some velocity, then only it will go up. So initial velocity is there, we should apply some velocity, then only body will go up. So initial velocity will be there, and final velocity after throwing, that body reaches a certain height and becomes 0, then only it will stop there. Maximum height the velocity becomes 0. Always at the top velocity is 0. So with some velocity only how to throw, so it will reach height and becomes 0 velocity, then only it will fall down. Then maximum height the velocity becomes 0, final velocity becomes 0. You remind it, always at the height velocity is 0. From top to bottom here becomes 0, starting is 0. From bottom to the top you thrown up, then final velocity becomes 0. So always at the height velocity is 0, remind it. Falling down initial velocity 0, throwing up final velocity becomes 0, and we are throwing with some velocity, so u is having some velocity. So you know g is 9.8 meter per second square already found, but here symbol changes. Why? We are throwing against to the gravity, no, up, towards up means against to gravity, so minus g you take, symbol of g is minus. Now first equation, wherever g minus comes, first equation, what is that? V becomes 0, maximum velocity becomes 0, final velocity becomes 0. When you thrown up, the final velocity becomes 0. We are throwing with some velocity, then only it will go up, and when it reach height, final velocity becomes 0 now, v is 0. So then the equation comes u is equal to final, then initial velocity we can find out gt, and also we can find out taken time u by g, taken time to reach height u by g, and second equation h is equal to ut plus half it square. Here g is minus, no, ut minus half gt square. Height, we can find out height by using this formula. Here v is not there, so as it is you have to apply these all and find out. V not there, no, so as it is you have to apply this formula and find h. And another formula, third formula, v square minus u square is equal to minus 2gh. Here v is 0, no, when you thrown up final velocity becomes 0, v is 0. So minus u square is equal to minus 2gh, minus minus cancel, u square is equal to 2gh. From this you can find out h is equal to u square by 2g, h is equal to u square by 2g. And also we can find out the total distance traveled by the thrown body to go up and come back, to go up and come back, 2h. So 2 into u square by 2g, 2 to cancel, u square by 2g. This is total distance for to go up and come back, that is u square by g. 2h means u square by g. Just height, only for height, reaching height is u square by 2g. Such a way we can use equations of motions for a falling body or a body thrown up. Thank you for watching.